Hello everyone, this is Tim with Event Office and Inflatable Office, and I'm going to show you a new feature that we released that allows you to make a signature template and then apply it to all of your emails and so forth. It actually is more extensible than that, and I'll go over that in a little bit. Um, we're going to start by going to Pages and Templates. That's where we are trying to put a lot of the templates, especially ones that aren't specific like email. You're going to go to your inactive ones, and then easiest thing is probably just to search for it. Just start typing in signature, and right there we go. There's the email signature one. Everyone's got that preloaded. There's nothing in there right now, but we're going to put some stuff in there. So we're going to want to make it active, and we're going to go ahead and just start typing some things in here. There's a list of variables, and this should be showing here on this page as well. It's not yet, so I'll fix that. But I can show you where you can see it in the email area. So let me just click one of these. Oops, go back here. Down at the very bottom, we have a link to show variables that are usable. So what we are looking for is the logged in user's name. So logged in worker name. So we're gonna, whoever's sending it, that's who we want to be an email signature. So we'll put that in, and then we'll put our company name, and then maybe our phone number. And there's more you can do with that, obviously. The real advantage to this is that this looks really simple, and it is. But the real advantage is later on, like if you maybe want to put ads in here or other things, images and so forth. And later on, as you're working through other changes to those ads or changes to your phone number or whatever, you don't have to go to every email template and update them. It would be nice if you had one email signature that just traveled across all the templates, and you could update it, and that would in this one spot, and it would affect all those emails. And that's basically what this is doing. So, this is not a really good example of what you would do with an ad, but you might say 10% off for the month of February. If I can spell it. I did not spell that right. All right, so you might put an ad in there or something. You're going to want to make it look nicer. This is just me doing it really quickly for you. And you're going to obviously want to change that once February is over, or maybe when you're getting close to the end of February. So we're going to save that for now. And I did make it active, so now I had an active filter I had to remove, and now I can see it. It's right here. Notice that we have this new template variable. There's a template variable for every template, and it doesn't just have to be this one for email signature. So, but we'll go into that in a minute. So then we're going to go over to one of our emails, and I just happen to have this one open. So we would come in here, and basically we would just put in, so the company name, we could put in that signature. We could save that, and let me show you how that works. I'll just open a new tab here so we can have all these open. If we go to one of our leads, I'm not logged in as a worker right now. I'm logged in as demo, so we'll see here what we get out of this. I think I did. Let's see. It was the thank you email. So there we go. Because I'm logged in as the demo account, like the main admin, it doesn't actually put my name in there. If you were logged in as a worker, it would put your name in there. But anyway, it still, just clears it out if there's no name, and you can see the signature is put in there. And like I said, you can make it look like whatever you want. You can make it HTML and have pretty pictures and everything else that you would want in there. Now that works for the signature. Now you can also do other things, like say you want to just, I know some people will send like a W-9 or other information to their customers regularly. So we could potentially do that through this technique. So we would say we want to, let's see, how does this work? Let me see. Maybe we might have to do a little work here to make this possible, but we could pick any of these really. There is no manual one. Let's see if we have an email signature one. Let's just do another of that type. I think that would probably be best. And maybe this would be like W9 file. And so we could actually put a link to the file that's somewhere on the internet so that the customer can then click on that link and find it. And we could put a nice image in there with the link wrapped around the image if we wanted. And then what we would do is just use this variable to insert that into our templates. So when it comes time to maybe update our W9 or whatever might need updated, we come into this one spot, we update it, and that will affect all the other templates where it's used. So we only have to do it once. We don't have to go through, the 10, 15, 20 templates that you might have. So it's a pretty cool feature. And I'm sure you guys will find lots of ways to use and abuse that feature. Just another way to try to make it easier for you to run your business and be a little more efficient. So thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you later.